चलो अब खाते हैं. फोक क्यों डाला? I have to take a picture पहले. कर क्या रही हूँ मैं? Okay, bye guys, bye. Hello everybody. So now I'm back again. It's the next day. So we have almost the same ingredients. I don't know if you're enjoying the video because I have not posted the first one yet. So I hope while you're watching this video, you've already seen that video because now it must be posted. This is episode 2. So it's again the lunchtime and let me show you what we are cooking today. So again we have the corns, ghee almost finished, and our soybeans. We won't be using millets today. We'll be using these multi-millet noodles. I'm not a big fan of noodles, but if I'm not having them very often, then I'm okay with it. So like once in 3 weeks is good for me. And for masala, we'll be using this magic cube. It's easily available anywhere. And you can also use, that's like little secret, let me share with you. Sometimes, and only sometimes, I get these small 10 rupee soup packets, which I never use as soup. I don't like soup, but I use them as the, as the gravy for this. So today we'll see if this will help us or not. If not, I can add one of this. So usually when I'm cooking some pasta or something like that and I'm not sure how I want the gravy to be, I put one packet of this. Not the best and healthiest option, but it works sometimes. So my whole point with these videos is to make meal prep and having lunch, wholesome lunch, easy and fun. So you don't feel like ordering very often and you want to cook and prepare it because 90% of things you've already done over the weekend. So that's my whole point, to make it nutritious, healthy, and meals which can keep you full for a long period of time. So that's my focus. I hope I'm able to attain it. We'll see later. I don't know. Let's see. Let's start. And thanks to these videos, you'll also notice most of my meals are one pot meals. So I prefer using just one meal, like one pot. And for the grains part. So today our grain is this multi-millet noodles. It's always great to check ingredient list of whatever you are eating. You should get into this habit, so you know exactly what you're eating. If it's good, bad, thoda bad, you should know. Also, I want to be more inclusive, so my meals won't be like chicken and meat because usually I have that for dinner, so it's amazing. And I want to be more inclusive, so I will make vegetarian meals mostly. Vegetarian, let's call them vegetarian meals. So most of the people can eat it and it's easier for them and they don't have to swap the ingredients and get more like confused. So yes, that's my one agenda which I have to keep it in mind. So I hope you enjoy this. Let's start. 10 minutes ही हैं. सारे टाइम मैं बातें करती रहूँगी तो हो गए 10 minutes इसी में. These noodles might look less to you, but trust me, once they are cooked, they'll be a lot. I have to discuss this thing, how much we should eat and the portion control in one of the future videos. How to check it. वैसे I'm not much of a portion control person myself, but a basic idea we should all have. And you should not check it every day, but a basic idea everyone should have, that what are you eating. We should be aware. So that's my thing. I've also added the magic cube right now. Pehle dalna chahiye tha. So make sure that it mixes well. And it will be ready in 5-7 minutes. It's written 3 minutes, but I am not sure if noodles can get ready in 3 minutes. I have doubts. Corns are already cooked, so I don't need to add them right now. I think I should add that packet of soup. Let me add that packet of soup. I think I should add क्या डालूं? Sweet corn डालते हैं. चलो ठीक है, ये डाल रही हूँ अब मैं. Ingredients check करो, calories check करो, सब कुछ. It's not the best. I am saying it again and again. But once a month I'm having in 10 rupees. A lot of times I divide this 10 rupees packet into 3, for my mom, dad and me. Hum teenon ka if I'm making noodles. But aaj I'm the only one having it. So yeah, सारा मेरे अंदर ही जाएगा जो भी है. I have no clue इतनी ज़्यादा quantity कैसे हो गई. I told you ना in the beginning कि हो जाता है. So now we have some roasted peanuts for the crunch. And I also roasted some Pereiros minus oil for me and my parents. उनको दे चुकी हूँ. अपने मैंने वीडियो के लिए रखे थे. That I have to show you guys. हाथ जल गया. And ये मैं खा लेती हूँ. And the ghee is fresh. Tomorrow I'll need new veggies. And we're done. And this is our lunch for today. I hope you like it. I love it. It's so creamy. I've already tasted it, of course. Also, a lot of you keep on asking me what I keep on having every day with lunch. Different colors, rose. I'll tell you. So it was basically my dad's idea that he got a kg of lemon and then we mixed sugar in it and then we made this lemon sugar syrup. And then this is just only lemon. We reuse the bottles. So this is only lemon, this is lemon sugar syrup, and every day we kind of make of this lemon drink, sometimes with soda, sometimes with water, whatever we please. Put some kala namak and jeera powder, of course. So that's mostly I'm having it. Sometimes I'm having ampan or whatever is made, but mostly it's this. And it's so easy. You just have to put like 2 tablespoons or like whatever is your flavor. I love Nimbu, so I put a lot. And enjoy. So my parents have the sugar one, I have this without sugar one, and I hope you like today's video and I hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching. Bye. Oh, also my whole point with these videos is that meal is,